Oral high-grade examen. Student Patiño Zumba Walter Alfredo. Maritime Games. Mi Horney Tour Football. High started training at the age of 16 years in sport club in Naranjal. The initial days were complicated for me since my teammates were better than me physically. High after work, he was discouraged. I almost gave up this opportunity to play my current teammate, but like the previous ones, physically I haven't been very good, but he always stood out my control. He had mattered that be physicality high been at level because despite having little training in the sport. At the of 18 years, he began to have several achievements in the tournament. How me beloved Naranjal, interacting with me former teammates, I have continued playing together is because there has been high lack of seriousness on their part. I know he been competing in the league with a team from Yawachi, which I hope will go very well, leaving it for real due to students. He he haven't completed it detached myself from the sport. This past month I've been recovering because he have been able to play much due to a injury that has kept me away from the field despite that he kept training hard, which had recovered me spirit a lot. Thankfully, I was panicked. My parents have stopped supporting me meant I that motivated me a lot. Until now, I've been experiencing the beautiful experience of being a soccer player, but for now, had 20 years old, I made the town decision to pursue my studies, had to hold the desire to continue playing has still been there. For now, I been dedicating myself to study medicine, veterinary zootechnia. I went to happen.